We have climbed a big mountain, and we have climbed the mountain together. This tool was not available on any device anywhere. It was restricted to be on a laptop or a desktop with a remote VPN connection, making it clunky and not easily accessible when you need to tap into the knowledge to help the customers. And inversely, when you need to capture the data from the customer side so that we can help the customer. Gerent is technically competent and they know what they're doing. They took time to sit down with us, understand our requirements, because this is not an off-the-shelf implementation. We had very specific needs and requirements based on the voice of the customer and voice of the internal organization. Gerent understands the Salesforce tool, and for them to have done this previously gives them the experience and the knowledge necessary for deploying this type of custom engagement. We were able to actually sit down and tap into the knowledge of Gerent as we were working through these requirements and determine a best way for us to incorporate those as we were modifying the Salesforce Service Cloud knowledge base and experience portal application for our needs. We definitely have better communication and engagement today more than ever. Gerent has definitely helped us in this journey to get us where we wanted to. It was important to have a partner like Gerent. So I want to thank both Gerent and Salesforce for this partnership.